Hello YouTubers. Going to be painting the place that I'm going to be working at soon. It was an Indian restaurant, but now it will be a Chenman Chinese, and I'm one of their cooks. Just started last week, but yeah, they want me to paint this restaurant with their new colours. So that's going to be a red wall up and over there. That'll be yellow, red again this side, and yellow wall there with a red door. And the kitchen is like a filthy mess at the moment. It's painted in like a, I don't know, it's a white duck full strength or something. Looks horrible, but that will be nice gloss white eventually. I'm going to have some wok burners over here, 4 wok burners, deep fry, a little bench with a dishwasher there. I think they're going to go a middle prep fridge in the middle here. I think you said a 5-door fridge or something, or whatever. And that'll probably be up against that wall. Yeah, so it looks like crap at the moment. So what I'm doing for the grease and oil that'll be on especially the kitchen, all over the ceiling and the walls and that. I'm using sugar soap mixed with water. That's in the bucket in there. Just normal Sally's sugar soap. And to make life easy, get your pole sander and put your cloth on that. Not sure if I'm going to be able to show you one-handed, but I'll give it a go. Oop, sorry for making you dizzy there. You spin me right round, baby, right round. So if you get that, it's going to be awkward one-handed. But anyway, so to make life easier, just do that with your pole sander. And when you've got actually 2 hands on the pole, you can do this quite quickly. I just got two of those cloths and folded them up so it fit the pole sander nicely. That's it. Get your nice long extension pole. Look at the size of that pole. And yeah, just makes life so much easier. You can, like, I'll wash the whole ceiling in about 30 seconds or something. And the walls will take a little bit longer because there's all shelving and stuff like that. So there'll be a few minutes in the walls getting around all that shelving and that. So yeah, instead of getting ladders out, working your ass off to try and get the walls clean. Yeah, use little tricks like that. Yeah, so this is going to be a very different looking place, even after today, because I'm just going to prime everything. Got some 4-in-1 primer. So yeah, it'll be all nice and white. And then, yeah, the walls out here, I won't worry about undercoating these walls. Maybe just the ones where I'm putting the yellow, because the yellow won't be, yellow's never very opaque. It's always quite transparent, so you'll see the blue underneath the yellow. So yeah, best to put a coat of white on those walls. The red should be fine with a dark undercoat like that. Should be fine over that. And obviously that one you wouldn't want to undercoat that to make it less red than it already is, because it's already quite a dark orange, not quite red. Not sure you can pick that up on the video, but that's what it is. So yeah, this will be a bit of fun and games, and this is the exciting part, I suppose, because I'll be cooking right here. It's kind of weird because like I started with them and they said they were going to have this restaurant ready in 2 weeks or 3 weeks for me to start at. So instead of training their menu like I should have been, I did 3 days with them, but now I'm in here painting this, so kind of cuts down on my training time, but it just means I've got to train harder, I've got to learn faster the menu, so it shouldn't really be an issue. But it's kind of weird going back to painting even though I'm on a payroll for a Chinese restaurant, so wrap your head around that one. Alright, well, that'll be a conclusion for today, and the excitement starts. Hopefully I'll be looking out there onto customers coming in, buying food, buying really good Chinese food, which it is, Chunman Chinese. Throw a little plug in there. Alright guys, have fun, peace out. I'll give you an update on how I'm going over the next couple of days, and enjoy yourselves.